Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Instagram Reels not uploaded and black out as well. As you can see, a lot of people have been facing this issue of whereby they actually select a Reels they want to post, a video they want to post, and their screen is just blank. And when they click on next, it's not actually clicking to show them the next step in order to upload the video online. So that has been the problem most people have been facing today. I'm going to show you how to actually fix this problem, how to fix it, and for it to actually start uploading. So first thing first, you have to go to your phone settings and scroll down to apps. That's the first thing you need to do. Scroll down to apps and go all the way down to Instagram. Once you get to Instagram, all you need to do is click on storage. You have to clear up your data and clear up your cache as well, because if you are clearing up your cache and data, especially your data, your account is going to be deleted as well. So you need to make sure you save your account in your Instagram just in case, and you should know the logins as well. So after doing that, what you need to do is make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to your Play Store and search for Instagram, or go to your Apple Store, and you can see mine has not been updated. That's why it's having that issue. So once it's updated, you can now go back to your Instagram, and once you upload the video and click on next, this is where you are going to see, because it's going to actually upload. So after I click on next again, processing, and here it is. So it's very simple. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.